Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to find properties with accessibility features on the Booking.com mobile app. If you're looking for accommodations that cater to specific needs, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Click on your profile icon. Then tap on Manage Your Account. On this screen, find and open Preferences option. Then open Only Shown option. That is this option, Accessibility Requirements. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Here you have two options. First is Show All Properties. Second option is Only Show Me Accessible Properties. Select second option. Save the changes and that's it. Try if this works on the app. Finding accessible properties on the Booking.com mobile app is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tutorials.